Hey everybody, it's in the shop with Tom. How's everybody doing? Doing a quick update in the shop. Shop's a little dirty, but you know what? I'd rather it be that way. You walk in the main door right here. It's a 36-inch wide single door. I like it to be a double, but the single's fine. Like I said, we're in the process of doing a bunch of things. Right now, this is kind of where I've been putting a lot of my extra sheet goods, extra materials. Actually, I stage a lot of my stuff over here in this area. I got a bunch of insulation that's going out to a job on Tuesday. Behind that, we have some shelving that you've seen before in previous videos. And that shelving holds a lot of extra stuff, paint, materials, stuff like that for now, until we get things changed around. I think we're going to make some changes on how that's going to look. Just give you a big overview of the shop. Just kind of got to have it to you. Every good shop has a television. Don't want people bullshit you. You know, we have our whiteboard here right now. We don't really need anything. I actually bought those screws already. That was just a reminder to me. But when we need something, we write it on there, and we don't. It doesn't get forgotten. But usually, honestly, it probably usually does. But right now, we still have, this is our miter station. That'll stay there permanently. The charge station is right here. We're probably going to move that someplace else. I just haven't decided. It all depends on what I do over here. I may make some changes. I haven't decided, because you're going to see in a minute another area I'm talking about that it's relatively not finished yet. As you walk down, gotta have Trump flag, baby. Keep America great. Make America great again. Now you'll see down here, right here, we have another workbench, some storage area for my pack outs, my Milwaukee stuff, old compressor that we had some issues. I'm actually in the middle of repairing that. I have a big compressor. It's over in my other shop that needs to come over here at some point, I think, or I may buy a new one for over here. Haven't decided. Got the Milwaukee pack-out system just stuck on the wall right there. I wanted to try it. I don't think that's going to be there permanently. I just threw it there just to see how I was going to do it. I think you're going to get a couple more of those racks. A couple more of those racks, and we're going to mount them in the van. Got a lumber storage rack there just for some of my goods now, just to, keep them off the floor. The other thing I always seem to have, it's a pain in the ass, is this PEX line. It always seems to be in the way. So we drilled holes in all the brackets and just ran it through there so it stays out of the way. All right. I actually have a nice work table that's over my other shop, but I'm not sure. It's a little bigger than I think it is. It won't fit through the door, and I don't know if I want to take it apart and go through the hassle. I don't have the room for it here yet, because that thing is about 8 by 4. It's like 4 by 8, but I've cut it down a little bit. So I'm not sure if I want to put that in here or not. Haven't decided, because I do like the foldable table, because I can fold it up and get it out of the way if I want to. If I'm going to be working on something bigger or whatever, if I'm building cabinetry, I need the space. And like I said, we have some other tools that we have at the other shop that aren't here yet. Over here is just a workbench that was in my old shop. Right now it's become the catch-all for a couple of things that haven't been put away yet, and I'll explain to you why that is. Like I said, if you know a little bit about us, in the shop with Tom, we like to mountain bike, so we have a couple bikes, and some of them are here. One is here, and then the rest are over at the other shop at this time. So this was out of one of those shops. This is just an experiment. I had a truck that I had Raptor lined in a previous video, which I'll show you that truck as it sits today. I no longer own it. It's actually in the scrapyard. The guy I sold it to destroyed it. But anyways, I put Raptor liner on the workbench as a coating. And you know what? This shit's held up really well. So I suggest that to anyone. So we still got our heating as it was. We did add baseboard. So that is doing well. We threw some shelves back here for some of our bigger tools to be stored on. Now, nobody's seen this yet. We actually got the bathroom. It's a shop, guys. It's not a friggin', not somebody's house. So I'm not crazy about, what it looks like. Got to put a new toilet in. Picked that up at Home Depot, $99. Like I said, it's a shop toilet. We don't have a sink in here yet. That will come at a later date. I want to try to do something cool for that. Just got some storage. Got some of our mountain bike stuff here. One of my bikes is stuck in here right now. Just to keep that out of the way because the extra area where the bikes are probably going to end up is not in here. Now, this is that other area that we've always talked about, and I'll take you in here. We're working on it slowly but surely. Don't call me Shirley. There used to be a doorway right there. We have closed that up from the other side, insulated it. That wall's starting to be insulated, so we're going to do some work there. And the rest of this has to be I'm going to insulate these outside walls. Ceiling's got to be finished, but I think I'm going to put insulation up there. Is that unit over there is vacant, and there's a lot of cold air over there. So this room is actually cold. And then what we'll do in here is, originally I was talking about making an office area out of it. I'm not going to do that because I just don't think I would use it here. So this will be another shop area with more cabinetry. Probably keep our different things in here. We haven't decided. That's what I said. That's why some things are up in the air. We haven't decided. Right now, I keep it closed off. That's pretty much an overview of the shop. Anybody has any questions, any suggestions, anything they want to know about, hear about, talk about, just let me know. We always like to talk tools. Probably going to have a live stream coming up here in the near future. I have to bring over my other equipment. But that's where we're at right now. And like I said, please like, comment, subscribe, tell your friend's neighbor. Like the subscriber count's pretty low. I'm not looking to make money with this, but I really appreciate to get some subscribers up. More subscribers, the more videos we're going to make. Like I said, like, I'm busy. When we're really busy, I don't have time to make videos. I've done so many projects. I could have gave you so much content. Just time doesn't allow it right now. But peace. I'll see you guys in the next one. And as always, peace.